So welcome to the MCQ part. In this part we will cover all the related questions of Charles Dickens that have been asked in previous exams and that can be asked as an objective or MCQ type question in any of the competitive exam. This type of preparation is really good for any competitive exam, for example UGC NET, MA English or even TGT, PGT kind of exams. अब बढ़ते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ. विच शुड बी अ पीस ऑफ केक फॉर द वॉचर्स ऑफ माई वीडियोज. लिटिल नेल इज अ कैरेक्टर इन डिकेंस विच नॉवल आउट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. The correct answer is The Old Curiosity Shop. This was published as a book in 1841 and it tells the story of Nell Trent, a beautiful and virtuous young girl who is orphan and lives with her maternal grandfather in a shop of odds and ends. She lives a lonely existence with almost no friends her own age, and her only friend is Kit, an honest boy employed at the shop. Next question. Put the following novels by Charles Dickens in a sequential order with the help of the code. This was asked in June 2011 and I've been telling you over and again, please take care of the chronological orders. Please take care of the years associated with the novels or any text. So we will start with the first one. Bleak House 1853, Hard Times 1854, A Tale of Two Cities 1859 and Great Expectations 1860. So option number A becomes the right answer. Next question. The two mother figures in Dickens' Great Expectations are, and this has been asked in September 2013, और कोड आपको गिवन है एस्टेला, मिस हेविशम, मिसेस जो एंड जॉर्जियाना. तो इसके करेक्ट आंसर है मिस हेविशम और मिसेस जो. मिस हेविशम को मदर फिगर माना गया है एस्टेला की, जो कि उनकी अडॉप्टेड डॉटर है, और मिसेस जो एक्ट्स एज अ मदर फिगर टुवर्ड्स पिप. पिप के मदर और फादर की डेथ के बाद से मिसेस जो और मिस्टर जो ने ही पिप की देखभाल की है. सो दीज टू बिकम द राइट आंसर, ऑप्शन नंबर ए. Next, a close friend of Dickens objected to the original ending of Great Expectations, in which Estella remarries and Pip remains single. Dickens accordingly revised to a more conventional ending which suggests that Pip and Estella will marry. Who was the friend? Asked in 2013 June. The correct answer is Wilkie Collins, option number A. Next question, an interesting one. Towards the end of Evelyn Was a Handful of Dust, the protagonist Tony Last is trapped in the jungle by the calculating crazy Mr. Todd, who forces him to read and reread the novels of a particular author. Vogue has also written a short story dealing with the Tony's singular experience in the jungle. Who is the novelist referred to and what is the title of the short story? So the correct answer is the novelist referred to here is Charles Dickens and the title of the short story is The Man Who Liked Dickens. A Handful of Dust is a novel by the British writer Evelyn Waugh, first published in 1934. Next question. Which of the following is not true of the novels of Charles Dickens? They deal with the problems of discontents of an urban civilization. The plots are strikingly tightly knit. They share a sense of fun and determining optimism. They incorporate elements of popular contemporary culture. So इसमें से सभी पॉइंट्स सही हैं ऑप्शन नंबर 2 को छोड़कर. प्लॉट्स थोड़े से लूजली बेस होते हैं, काफ़ी सब प्लॉट्स फॉलो करते हैं, इसी वजह से हम कह सकते हैं कि प्लॉट्स आर नॉट स्ट्राइकिंगली टाइटली नेट. All other points you will find that are in accordance with all the novels of the Charles Dickens. Next question. Who among the following English artists illustrated the novels of Dickens and Scott? It has been asked in June 2015 exam. The options are Richard Hoggart, Joshua Reynolds, George Cruikshank, John Tenniel. The correct answer is option number C, George Cruikshank. He was a British caricaturist and a book illustrator. His book illustrations for his friend Charles Dickens and many other authors reached an international audience. You can see here one of the pictures made by him. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जिसका मैं थोड़ा सा इलेबोरेटेड आंसर दूंगी जो कि आपके लिए काफ़ी यूजफुल रहेगा. चार्ल्स डिकेंस विजिट टू द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स प्रोड्यूस्ड विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नॉवेल्स? हार्ड टाइम्स, निकोलस निकलबे, मार्टिन चिजलविट और ऑलिवर ट्विस्ट. तो मैं आपको पहले बताती हूँ कि हुआ क्या था। ऑन वैलेंटाइंस डे 1842 न्यूयॉर्क होस्टेड वन ऑफ द ग्रैंडेस्ट इवेंट्स the city had ever seen, a ball in honor of English novelist Charles Dickens. Such a big thing. Dickens was only 30, but works such as Oliver Twist and Pickwick Papers had already made him the most famous writer in the world, and the cream of New York society hired the grandest venue in the city, the Park Theatre, and decorated it with all the paintings in honor of the illustrious visitor. On his return to England, Dickens published two books about his American trip, as well as the scathing travel writing of America Notes. He satirized the country completely in a section of Martin Chuzzlewit, 1844, his next major novel. So the answer is option number C, Martin Chuzzlewit. Next question. Charles Dickens caricatured utilitarian thinking with telling directness in his portrayal of Paul Dombey, Thomas Gradgrin, Philip Pirrip, Harold Skimpole. So the correct answer is, Thomas Gradgrin. He is a representative of the character of utilitarian principle of Victorian political society, and he represents the utilitarianism in its most rigid form in the sphere of education specifically. Next question. Literary works such as Charles Dickens, David Copperfield, Samuel Butler's The Way of All Flesh, and James Joyce, A Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man, provide examples of which following novelist form? Novio Roman or new novel, epistolary novel, Bildungsroman or historical novel. The correct answer is Bildungsroman. Bildungsroman is a literary category that focuses on psychological and moral growth of the protagonist from youth to adulthood, or coming of age novel भी कहा जाता है इन novels को, in which character change is also important. Character innocent से और meek से थोड़ा सा maturity की तरफ grow होता है. Next question, an easy one. The Pickwick Papers is a novel by Jane Austen, Charles Dickens, or William Thackeray. The Pickwick Papers is written by Charles Dickens. The posthumous paper of Pickwick Club was Charles Dickens' first novel. अब बात करते हैं एक बहुत ही फेमस लाइन की, जिसको आप डीपली पढ़ेंगे तो यू विल इवन कम टू नो अबाउट फ्यू लिटरेरी डिवाइसेस यूज्ड इन दिस. Which of the following novel opens with the word "It was the best of times, it was the worst of times"? The correct answer I'm telling you is Tale of Two Cities. This phrase has been taken from the famous opening paragraph of Charles Dickens' novel A Tale of Two Cities. The novel opens with the lines, "It was the best of times, it was the worst of times, it was the age of wisdom, it was the age of foolishness, it was the epoch of belief, it was the epoch of incredulity." So, the novel basically in the very beginning tells a story of contrasts and comparisons between London and Paris during the French Revolution. Literary devices that is used here is anaphora and paradox. Anaphora is repetition of the phrase appearing at the start of consecutive clauses, creates steady rhythm. So it was has been repeated in all the lines, it becomes anaphora. Next one is paradox. Author replicated paradox, conflicting ideas in this phrase. तो आप देखिए एक ही लाइन में दो conflicting ideas portray किए गए हैं. It was the best of times, it was the worst of times. So best of time, worst of time अपने आप में एक paradox है. Next question, Jabberwocky is a creation in which of the following? The correct answer is option number B, Lewis Carroll. Jabberwocky is a poetry written by Lewis Carroll, and Lewis Carroll was an English writer of children's fiction, notably Alice's Adventure in Wonderland and its sequel Through the Looking Glass. Next question, considering the story of the novel, what does the title Dombey and Son stands for? This is the question which I am leaving for my watchers. Please read all the options carefully and give me the answer of this question. Next one, an easy one. If you have watched the videos carefully, match the character with the novel. Kate, Florence, Miss Havisham, Agnes, and you have to match with Great Expectations, Nicholas Nickleby, David Copperfield, and Dombey and Son. Let us start with Kate first. Kate is Nicholas Nicklby's younger sister. Next, Florence. Florence is in Dombey and Son, Mr. Dombey's daughter, about 6 years old as the novel begins. Miss Havisham, the famous character in The Great Expectation, foster mother of Estella. Agnes is a character of David Copperfield novel, the 1850 novel by Charles Dickens. She is a friend and confidant of David. I hope you liked the video. You can watch other biographies by clicking on the link given over here. Thanks a lot for watching and best of luck for your exams. You can contact us to join our online or offline classes too.